508 species in genus Artemisia. October 4th, Artemisia, Artemisia, the sagebrush, represents October 4th. Artemisia symbolizes wisdom and protection. You offer guidance and strength to those around you. Like its soothing properties, your presence is comforting. The world of Artemisia, a personal exploration. My name is Ferb Vu, and I've always been fascinated by the natural world, particularly the diverse and often overlooked world of plants. One genus that has captured my attention is Artemisia, a group of hardy herbs and shrubs belonging to the Asteraceae family, Asteraceae. With their distinctive aromas and silvery foliage, these plants have a long and storied history, entwined with human culture and medicine for millennia. Join me as I delve into the fascinating world of Artemisia, exploring its diverse species, unique characteristics, and enduring legacy. A diverse genus. Artemisia is a large genus with over 500 species. These plants are incredibly versatile, thriving in a variety of environments, from the arid steppes of Central Asia to the coastal regions of North America. This adaptability is reflected in the sheer variety of forms Artemisia takes, ranging from low-growing herbaceous plants to towering shrubs. See full list at monsteraholic.com. A rich history of human use. The relationship between humans and Artemisia dates back centuries. Throughout history, various species have been utilized for their medicinal, culinary, and even spiritual properties. In traditional medicine, Artemisia has been employed to treat a wide range of ailments, from digestive issues to parasitic infections. Mugwort, for example, has been used to relieve menstrual cramps and promote digestion, while wormwood has been used as an anthelmintic to expel intestinal worms. In the culinary world, tarragon is a beloved herb, adding its unique flavor to sauces, salads, and meat dishes. Other species, like mugwort, have also been used in food preparation, though their strong flavors require careful application. Beyond its practical uses, Artemisia has also played a role in cultural and spiritual practices. In some cultures, mugwort is believed to possess mystical properties and is used in rituals and ceremonies. Its association with dreams and divination has earned it a place in folklore and mythology. A genus worth exploring. The world of Artemisia is vast and fascinating, offering a glimpse into the intricate relationships between plants, humans, and the environment. From the iconic sagebrush of the American West to the culinary delights of tarragon, this genus has left its mark on human history and continues to intrigue and inspire. Whether you're a botanist, a chef, or simply a nature enthusiast, I encourage you to explore the diverse world of Artemisia and discover its hidden wonders.